Hola, 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 mis amores. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very natural, glowy look. I wanted to stay very natural because of what I have today going on. It's a very natural tone, like I have black all over. My hair is just like a messy bun. So today I just wanted to do a natural look, just with a pop of color, because I always like mirror makeup. I don't like being bare skin, even though people say, oh, you look beautiful. I just don't feel comfortable. I've been wearing makeup since I was really young, since at the age high school, 13, 14. So I was like, not wearing makeup is a part of me. Makeup is a part of me. That's why I did this makeup channel. So please subscribe, like, and comment below, and click on the bell button up here to know when my next video is up. So stay tuned and see what So you always want to prime your face. Like I always say in the beginning of all my videos, you want to prime your face. I'm using the MAC primer all over my face, my eyelids, on my nose, on my neck. That's where I want to prime my face. All over here. After that, I let it set. What I'm going to use after it is a foundation. I'm using the Artistry foundation. Oh, it's still dirty. I need to clean it. I'm using the Artistry foundation. I'm going to use 2 pumps. And the reason I'm only using 2 pumps today is because I'm going to be putting more foundation on. And I'm going to be using the Artistry Radiant Illuminating Glow. I'm going to mix it in with my foundations. So, voila. Just like that on my palm. And I'm just going to mix it in my fingertips. I want to get it here, 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 here. So all over my face. Get it on your hair. Because you want to be just one tone. Oh. On my neck, near my ears. There. After that, I'm going to go in with the MAC powder under my eyes. And this is the 2-in-1, the powder foundation. That's why I was not going that heavy on my foundation. Putting what I usually put. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want more of a set look. So I want more of a look that will last all day, because I have a lot of things to do today. A lot of errands. So I go a little bit heavy when I have a lot of errands to do. Right here. Under my eyes. Under my eyes. On my nose. Because that's where I get more oily, is my nose. It's my T-bone. So right here. Right there, and voila. And then I just go in with a clean brush. Here. Then because I want a little bit more of a glow, I'm going to go in with the glow powder. I'm going to go in with the glow mix. I'm just going to apply a little to my hands. And that's where I want more of my glow. My glow, I want it here. Here. So, here. This is where I want more of my glow. Voila. So like that. Like so. Then after, I'm going to go in with my Chanel bronzer. Right here, if you could tell. right here, right here, there. Then you blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend.
You blend. You blend.
You blend. Never forget this part, guys. Never. Then you're gonna have like a mark and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh. Trust me, it's embarrassing. After that, I go in with my brush and I go here. Not with my brush, with my sponge. I go here, go here, I go here, I go here. And then I go in with the clean brush and I just blend more. You just blend more. So it's voila. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my nose, just to contour my nose with the same color. I'm gonna go in with this type of brush right here, right here, right here, and here. So like this. And then I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. I should have cleaned my brush. I should have cleaned my brush. And just blend. Just blend and blend. So what I like to do too is I like to use my ring finger and I just blend and I just blend. 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 And then this is how it looks. And then I blend it up. Then I go in with that same bronzer. And I go on my eyelids. Just to give it definition. Because remember, we want to go with the natural look today. And just right there. I do the other eye. Like so right there. So right there. So that's how I do it. Then I go in with the hula set. And I'm gonna go in with desert sand, then musk, then Eden. So I'm gonna use these three colors at the top, the three first colors. So first I'm gonna go in with desert sand. I'm gonna use my little fluffy brush. And I'm gonna do it all over my eyelid, like so. Just to bring a pop of color out. And this is desert sand. I use it all over my eyelid, my eyes, and my eyelid, like that, like so. Then I'm gonna go in with musk. I'm gonna start in my eyelid and just bring it down to my eyes. all over my eyes. So I'm just applying it all over my eyes right now. So like so. Then I go with Eden. The same brush on my eyelid. Just on my eyelid to give a little bit of color. Just on my eyelid to get a little bit of color. So, like so. Then I'm going to go in with the Artistry Highlighting Kit. And I'm going to go in with this white color right here on my brow bone. On my brow bone. Right here. Like so. I also want to go with that same color on my right in there. So just like so. So with the same brush that I contour my nose, I'm just going to use it a little to contour my bottom of my lashes. With the remaining eyeshadow it had. So like so. After that, I'm going to put eyeliner. Right here on my, so I'm going as close as to my lashes as I could. I'm gonna do the other one as close to my lashes as I could. And I wing it out. And I wing it out like that. And then I just go over it again. And my tear dot. Right there. Right there. I'm going to be putting fake eyelashes. I'm going to be using the Adele fake eyelashes. So I'll be back. So I'm back. I also went ahead and applied my mascara right there. So now I'm going to go in on my cheeks. And I'm going to apply Peachy lines all over my cheeks, right here, right here. After that, I'm gonna go in with the highlighter, the same one I used before, but instead of using the white one, I'm gonna use the gold one right here on my cheeks, right here on my cheeks, right here, right here,
Right here. Right here.
right on my nose. So right on the L part on my nose, right here. On my cheekbone. Then I'm gonna go in with lip liner. Eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with lip liner, and this is by MAC. It's called Subculture, and I'm gonna line my lips. I'm just gonna go a little bit under my lips to make it look fuller. Right there. Just to make it look fuller. And the same thing I'm gonna do at the top. That's right there. And then I'm gonna go with my lipstick once I find it. Then I'm gonna go with my lipstick, and this is Velvet Teddy by MAC. Right there. And just like this. And this is the look of today. Very beautiful, radiant. I love it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and click on the bell button for you guys to see reminders of when my next videos are coming up. See you guys. Bye, mis amores. Mwah.